am Dr. Priyanka Chatterjee, working as an assistant professor in RDS College, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. Today I want to teach on topic photosynthesis. Now I am starting the topic photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process. Photosynthesis is the process of conversion of radiant light energy to chemical bond energy. Photosynthesis is the process. It is the process of conversion of radiant light energy is converted into chemical bond energy in the form of sugar, in the form of glucose, fructose, etc. So photosynthesis is divided into two phases. It is divided into two phases. First one is light reaction, and another one dark reaction. What is light reaction? The reaction that takes place in presence of light is called as light reaction. In light reaction, so many phases take place. So these phases are immersion effect, second one is photolysis of water, or Robin-Hill reaction, and third part is electron transport system or photophosphorylation. So these are the most important phases that take place in light reaction. What are the requirements of light reaction? Requirement of light reaction. Most important requirement here, light, and second one is chlorophyll pigment. Now we all know weave gear. What is weave gear? Weave gear is contain 7 different colors of sunlight: V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. It is the average range of wavelength. It contains 440 nm to 660 nm. Above it, here is infrared radiation. more than 600 nm wavelength take place in infrared radiation. That means above 600, that means 700 nm or more. Here below V violet color is the UV radiation. It is called as ultraviolet radiation, lower wavelength of 440 nm. So in wave gear, maximum photosynthesis take place in red light. Maximum photosynthesis take place in red light. Then blue light, and minimum or no photosynthesis or very minimum photosynthesis take place in green light. In green light, minimum photosynthesis take place. Second most important step of light reaction is photolysis of water. Photolysis of water or Rubin-Hill reaction. Rubin-Hill reaction. Rubin-Hill proved O2 evolved from H2, not from CO2. That means the reaction is CO2, H2O, it converted into CH2O plus O2 in presence of light and pigment. He proved this O2 released from H2O, not from CO2. I am writing here O2. He proved O2 is released from H2O but not from CO2. Now what is the reaction? 4H2O in presence of light and chlorophyll pigment converted into 4H plus 4OH minus. 4OH minus converted into 4 electrons plus 4OH, 4OH converted into 2H2O2. 2H2O2 is converted into H2O, 2H2O plus O2. here we can cut this one, this one. These are similar, so we can cut these are. And what will be the result? 4H2O gives 4H plus 4 electrons plus 2H2O plus O2. It means O2 is evolved from H2O, not from CO2. He proved. That means Robin Hill proved O2 removed from H2O. Now third phase is photophosphorylation. Third phase is photophosphorylation. It is of two types. First is non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and second one is cyclic photophosphorylation. Cyclic photophosphorylation. Second one is cyclic phosphorylation. In this pathway, only one pigment system active. That means pigment system 1, P700, PS1. It absorbs sunlight, electron jumps and absorbed by FRS, ferredoxin reducing substance, and this electron taken by ferredoxin, it is taken by cytochrome B, and cytochrome B gives electron to cytochrome F. Here also 1 ATP produced from ADP. Now cytochrome F gives electron plastocyanin, and plastocyanin ultimately gives electron to pigment system 1. That means from PS1 electron moves and again returns to this pigment system. Therefore, it is called as cyclic photophosphorylation. Here only one pigment system work, that is PS1. And what are the meaning of these? I am writing here as a note. What is the meaning of FRS? Ferredoxin reducing substance. Ferredoxin reducing substance. Ferredoxin, FD means ferredoxin. PQ plastoquinone, PC plastocyanin, CYT means cytochrome, etc. Now I have completed light reaction. Next time I will teach you dark reaction. So I have completed one phase of photosynthesis, that is light reaction. Thank you.